The Biden administration's new Title IX rule covering LGBTQ students is being met with legal challenges all over the country. Today, a federal judge temporarily blocked the new rule in 6 states, including Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, and Virginia.
And it's just days after another federal judge did the same here at home. Here's Capitol correspondent Chris Rosado with more on this. Chris.
Right, well, in a show of support for State Attorney General Liz Murrill, Judge Terry Doty of the U.S. Western District sided with her and temporarily blocked the new Title IX rules, not just here at home, but in Mississippi, Montana, and Idaho as well.
It was just 2 months ago State Attorney General Liz Murrill sued the Biden administration for their new Title IX rules that allow students and student athletes to use whichever bathroom, locker room, or living quarters they identify with. Now, a federal judge is stepping in and giving her lawsuit more support.
Well, I was very grateful that he acted swiftly. The court basically has blocked those rules from taking effect, and so Title IX will continue to be implemented the same way that it has been over the last 50 years.
Murrill's lawsuit was co-signed by attorneys general from Mississippi, Montana, and Idaho, making the judge's injunction applicable to those states also. Not to mention the 6 other active federal lawsuits looking to overturn the new Title IX rules around the country.
Ordinarily, the way this works is once a preliminary injunction is issued that blocks the federal government from implementing its rules, it will seek a stay in the Fifth Circuit. If it doesn't obtain a stay in the Fifth Circuit, then they will go to the United States Supreme Court and seek a stay there.
The judge says his ruling is based on the fact the Department of Education, quote, exceeded its authority, violation of free speech, violation of free exercise of religion, violation of the spending clause, and that the action is arbitrary and capricious under the Administrative Procedures Act. Governor Jeff Landry also just signed a new law that bans people from using public restrooms and locker rooms that differ from their assigned gender at birth. He and State Superintendent Dr. Kate Brumley both told state officials to ignore the new Title IX rules.
I mean, that's so disrespectful. I mean, they're the same people who are like tough on crime. How can you be tough on crime when you tell other people to break the law? I don't get that.
Peyton Rose Michelle with Louisiana Trans Advocates says the lawsuit and the judge's injunction are harmful to the well-being of children.
I don't understand their commitment to harming youth. I don't understand their lack of understanding about things that are kind of not debatable, like science.
Michelle says it's unclear what legal action, if any, their organization will do going forward.
So State Superintendent Dr. Kate Brumley issued a statement today affirming parents the new Title IX rules will not go into effect in Louisiana come August, saying in part at this time our recommendation is that you not shift any of your practices to adhere to the proposed Title IX changes. Guys, back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you.